appointment to the clinic. Magpapagawa tayo ng lash extension. Yes, you heard it right. Papagawa natin lash extension today. Usually, pinapagawa ko is the lash lift. Pero kasi, I wanna try that new. So, yun ang papagawa natin today. Lash extension naman para maiba. And, yes, but I just like the lash lift, the lash extension in classic, not the hybrids, not the volume, but the classic one. So we'll see if it's for me kasi I tried it before, but that's a lash extension volume. So yes, it's so yun na guys, andito na ako sa clinic sa loob for the waiting in person kasi may client pa ang mag-a-assist sa akin. And the clinic pala is located here in Christiansfeld, Denmark. Yan, magsa-start na kami. This is the final product, Charis. Yan, gustong-gusto ko yung pagkagawa sa akin kasi very natural lang. Di siya masyadong mahaba. Ang ginamit sa akin is 8, 9, and 10 lang. And actually, madami siyang nilagay extension. Kiniklip niya lang. Kinakat niya para hindi siya masyadong mahaba tingnan. Kasi gusto ko talaga classic lang, natural lang siya tingnan, hindi masyadong mahaba. So, yun ang ginawa niya sa akin. Nilagyan niya ng madami, tapos clinip niya ng socks. So, very nice. I love it. Super satisfied ako sa result. So, from now on siguro, lash extension na muna ipapagawa ko. So, hindi na muna tayo magpapagawa ng lash lift. Lash lift kasi is, yun yung sarili kong lashes na nililift up lang siya. Kinicurl lang siya para maging curl siya. So, ngayon, lash extension na muna. So, yes, that's it for today, guys. Please to subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel or whatever. So, that's it. Goodbye!